Okay, so this is a demo, July 19th, 2021, showing the latest updates that I've made. Um, let's just start. So, landing page for the customer app is right here. Landing page for the courier app is right here. Courier can subscribe when they want to start receiving notifications of uh, order requests. And within the customer app, you can rent various items such as a portable phone charger, uh, music. If you're hungry, you can get food. Okay. We can click on the shopping cart icon up here, or you could click review over here. Before I do that, add some sunscreen. Okay. If I click on the shopping cart icon in the title bar, this is what my cart looks like. I can then change my mind and say, for the sake of time, I don't need to charge my phone. I don't need to rent a outdoor sound system. I just want the courier to just bring me my food. I don't want to wait any longer. That's what really matters. What's the likelihood of that? I don't know. But theoretically, they can just check out. They put in their payment information if it's not already registered, and then they can order. Okay. When they're ordering, it hits some backend services. There's hella backend services. There's like 10 backend services right now to accommodate this order fulfillment. The courier should get notified soon. It says finding a courier. One courier found. That's a good thing. And here's the courier being notified of an order. They have a couple minutes to accept. So the courier accepts. The customer is notified of the courier that accepted the order. The courier is then provided a route via Google Maps. That's a separate application, but it should also
East, then turn right.
overlay up here as well, right? We're assuming that the courier arrived at Denny's, right? So when they grab their items, they check it off and then they take a photo of the receipt, in theory. Okay. Once they captured that receipt, then they say done. And then this simulates that they've arrived at the customer location, right? This is an emulator, so it's not going to have the actual location of the courier within the area in Florida. Apparently, they're in Silicon Valley. So I'll get rid of this map for right now. Can I get rid of this map? So then we can say delivered. You can rate the customer and say it was 5. This courier app then gets updated with whatever data uh, dealing with a delivery, in this case transactions. We could click on that and we see that this was the transaction that they have. We also see the commission that they accrued if they want to go ahead and cash out. When they cash out, they essentially have that commission deposited into their bank account. So that's what that looks like. In regards to the customer view, their order has been delivered. They were charged $20.98. It says unknown card type, but that's because of logic of knowing what numbers map to what type of card. I don't know why that happen to unsubscribe from delivery requests. That's something I need to resolve. Customer wants to rate delivery, they can. I mean, they're actually forced to, and then they send. Thank you for your business. Exit. Okay. If we want to look at the events that were generated, the historical events that revolved around fulfilling this order, then we have this right here. So from essentially this all the way down are the events that revolve around the delivery requests in that particular courier. So we see that, and this isn't sorted within the event store, but if I wanted to generate a report, then I could have this sorted based on timestamp. We see certain events such as courier location connected. There should be a customer location connected over here. These are events where using Azure SignalR, the courier and customer can actually track each other on the app using the embedded map within the application. We see payment finalized, that's through the Stripe API, courier accepted event, courier subscribed event, courier unsubscribed event, courier delivered, courier receipt, or courier ID receipt. Is there anything else in here? Courier arrived at pickup. Yep. There's two courier, oh, these are different events. These are different streams. All right, delivery request ID, we have a courier delivered, but then we also have a courier delivered if we want to look at the stream just for that particular courier. So a partition key, so this is a stream table. Partition key is kind of the context that the events revolve around, whether it's an actual delivery request or if it revolves around the courier himself or herself. That's it. That's it in the demo. So that's the progress that I've made so far. If we wanted to look at a different scenario, let's say that we just wanted to do some rentals, because obviously this isn't done, right? But let's spin up a version of this resubscribe. I feel like I should clean my stream just for the sake of demoing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and run this clean script. And then while that's running, this courier app should be loading. And let's figure out how this scenario is going to work. So now I want to demo the rentals, which is incomplete, but you'll see a little bit of a different layout, especially when it comes to arriving at the customer location. Instead of it having the restaurant name of the items that they're delivering, it's going to have the actual images of like the rentals or groceries. So let's say that we want to go ahead and a portable phone charger, should be called portable power bank, but whatever. A canopy, okay. Sunscreen, and let's go out on a limb and say we also want. So I need to make this scrollable. Let's do that. Let's look at our items. Okay, and then we say checkout. Use our cached payment method. Okay, and then when we say order, see how this looks. Finding a courier. Hopefully this doesn't screw up. And this one is really 0 since I cleared my event store. Accepted. Immediately goes to Google Maps for the courier. Let's go back over here. I need to
management may be closed.
update this whole miles or distance to the location. So portable phone charger, beach canopy, banana boat, ultra sport, capture the receipt. There should just be an alias field that I can add to it. Okay, say done. It's going to now go from the route of the store or the carrier
then turn right.
to the actual customer. Your order has arrived. Make yourself available. And now we see, okay, so okay, that's a little bit better. So now we see, I feel like I should make this bigger. Or at least show that it's scrolling, it's scrollable. So I got to address that. But yeah, here's the items in here. And you can say delivered. Go ahead, rate them. The order has been delivered, right? Okay. So that's not going to update to 2 because remember I cleared my event store, right? Hence this right here. Okay. So that is the demo. There's also cashing out, which I'm not going to show because there's some runtime exception that I haven't yet resolved. It used to work, but it doesn't work anymore. Which I think is because I have a new courier, but I didn't update my Stripe website with that courier's information in regards to payroll. So, anything else on here? Okay, apparently that's the back button. So, I mean, there's quirks to this. It unsubscribes still. But that's it. That's the demo. Thanks. See you.